My Metamask wallet was hacked. I lost my assets. What the hell is going on with my wallet?
Hello and welcome back to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. Once again, I'm here with a new video where I'm sharing my feelings. As I told you, my Metamask wallet was hacked. I lost my assets. I lost my funds. I don't know what's going on with Metamask wallet. As you know, everyone is complaining about Metamask wallet. Everyone is saying that Metamask wallet was hacked. My funds was hacked. I just lost my funds. I don't know why. As you know, Metamask wallet is one of the popular wallet where you can store, where you can send, buy and transfer your assets. So the main purpose to use Metamask wallet is to secure your funds, to secure your coins. But what I'm saying, Metamask wallet is not a secure wallet. All are complaining about Metamask wallet. Everyone is saying that my Metamask wallet was hacked. I lost my funds. So what I'm going to share in this video, first of all, I will show you my assets that the hacker or scammer just take my coins and transfer them from my Metamask wallet to their wallet address, and then I will tell you the best tips to secure your Metamask wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about cryptocurrency. Therefore, never hesitate to like our video, comment your idea in the comment section and share this video with all your friends. So now I will show you, this is my Metamask wallet. I will show you the transaction that the hacker just transferred my coin, my assets from my wallet to their address. So how you can find the transaction? Suppose sometime there can be error. Sometime Metamask wallet cannot show your assets because of error, because of any bugs. But how can you check whether your Metamask wallet or your assets was hacked or this is the Metamask error? So you can check it on BSC scan. Simply go to BSC scan and scan your Metamask wallet. Then here it will show you all the transaction, all the details. If there you can see any transaction, so it means the hacker just take your coin and you cannot recover it again. You cannot get it back. If any coin, if any funds just transferred from Metamask wallet to any other address, so you never can recover it, you never can refund it, or you never can take it until if you transfer any assets from your Metamask wallet to wrong address. Like I have just transferred my baby Dogecoin from my Metamask wallet to OKX exchange, but I don't know, at that time I don't have a clue, but that address was wrong. So now the OKX exchange is sending back my coin. They are just refunding my coin. So like this you can refund your coin from any exchange. Just talk with their support team, so they will send your coin back. But if anyone else take your coin, so you cannot recover it. Even Metamask cannot give you back. Now let me show you the transaction that I just the hacker just take my assets from my Metamask wallet. So once you come here, simply click on this option, and then once you come, okay, sorry, simply click on this, yes, this view account in Explorer. Simply click on it. Now it will navigate you to BSC scan. As I told you, you can find all the transaction detail on BSC scan. So this is the BSC scan, and in here this is your wallet address. So now scroll down. Here you can see all the transaction details, Now let me show you. 3 days before, the hacker just take my Ellen Gatecoin. This is here. You can see this is the transaction history. You can see 3 days ago the hacker just transfer my Elongate token from my Metamask wallet to their address. Then if I scroll down here, you can see, let me scroll down here. I just no, scroll down. Yes, this one. This is at that time 56 days ago. I was not at home. I was out of city. So the hacker, I just staked my cake coin on PancakeSwap. So the hacker just unstaked my cake coin and they have transferred my cake coin to their address. Here you can see the transaction. See, this is the transaction. And then I just lost my SafeMoon. You can see SafeMoon coin also. So now I cannot recover this coin. I cannot get it back because once the transaction is done, so no one can give you back. Remember, no one can give you back. So this was the transaction that the hacker just transferred my assets from my wallet to their wallet address. You can see the proof. So now there is no way to recover it. Just hope and just try to get back your assets, get back your funds from buying, selling any cryptocurrency to get profit. What is the best way to secure your Metamask wallet? Now live. My assets was hacked. There is no way to recover it. So I don't want you to lose your funds. I don't want you just hack your wallet. So I will give you a few tips that can secure your Metamask wallet. So the first step is what you need to do. I will close this BSC scan. So I will close it. Then I will open Metamask wallet extension. The first and best tip is to secure your Metamask wallet is never share your phrase with anyone. Never share your phrase or never share your Metamask wallet password with anyone, even your wife, even your family, even your friend, even your close friend. Never share it with anyone. If you share to anyone, so they can hack your account easily and you cannot recover it. Even Metamask wallet cannot recover your wallet, recover your funds. And the second tip number 2 is just simply always lock your Metamask wallet. How? Lock means always disconnect your Metamask wallet. Like here, if we come to Metamask wallet, simply click on this logo and here you can see log option. How? Simply click on log. So it will log out your Metamask wallet. See, now again you can unlock your wallet. Simply type password. Then you can unlock your Metamask wallet or you can log into your Metamask wallet. So this is the second best tip. Always lock your Metamask wallet. The third step or the third tip is be aware of scam website or scam airdrops. There are some scam websites that you are just connecting your Metamask wallet, like OpenSea. OpenSea is an NFT platform where you can buy and sell or upload your NFT. So make sure, I don't mean that OpenSea is a scam website, but I'm giving you example. So never connect your Metamask wallet with any scam website or any untrusted website, or never use your Metamask wallet using VPN browser. Make sure. Again, the 4 tips is always disconnect your Metamask wallet with website that you are not using more. How you can do it? Simply come to here, click on it, then click on connected site. So here you can see I have just connected my Metamask wallet with these 3 websites. So simply disconnect it. Click on delete and disconnect, then click on delete and disconnect, click on delete, disconnect. Like this you can secure your Metamask wallet and there will be less opportunity for hackers to hack your Metamask wallet or to hack your funds. What I think, if you follow these 4 tips, so you can secure your Metamask wallet. So this was the story of my Metamask wallet that I just lost my assets, and I just gave you the best tips that you can secure your Metamask wallet. So I hope you understand this video. This video is just end up here. If you like our videos, so make sure to like our video, Type your idea in a comment section about your MetaMask wallet history, about your life history, and still did not subscribe to our channel. So make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.